Hello everyone, I'm here at 1633 Yellow Brick Road in Astor, Florida. Today we're going to do a little informal, unbranded virtual tour of this neighborhood, this little home. 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, around 2,300 square feet. Sits on the canal just a short ways down to the river, St. John's River. This home is all about the details. I kid you not, it starts, the landscaping is beautiful, the rocks, the paver boundaries, the lead inset, 8-foot doors. I can go on and on. I'm really going to do a poor job of explaining it by memory, but you walk in and first thing you see is the spacious living area, the tall ceilings, 10-foot ceilings, tray ceilings, looks out to the water. Very spacious area, split plan. Master over there, 1 bedroom that way, and then 2 right here to our right. Let's start right off. Let's stay in the common areas. Let's head over towards the kitchen. I'm just going to spin here so you can see the back living area as well. The kitchen has granite countertops, newer stainless steel appliances. The refrigerator that sits here is not the one that's going to convey. There's another stainless steel one that they're going to be putting in. Very nice refrigerator. All these are, I believe they're all GE profile stainless steel appliances. 42-inch cabinets, all sorts of slide outs. Just to kind of get a feel for under here. You see. Sorry for showing all her stuff there, but you get the idea. There's a whole bunch of them here. I'll spare the seller you looking at all of their belongings, but everything is super nice. It is a KitchenAid dishwasher there. Beautiful kitchen, recessed lights, looking out. Induction microwave, stainless steel, and oven, glass cooktop. Italian travertine backsplash. Let's go over here and take a look. There's a laundry room. Laundry room has matching cabinetry, matches the kitchen. Head over here to the primary bath. Dual vanities, dual granite-topped countertops. Granite countertops. Listen to me stumble on myself. Large inset shower. Garden tub, makeup counter, water closet. Check out this closet. The cellar is very tall, but it's much nicer than going into up into the attic for things. So plenty of storage in this home. Primary suite, large tray ceilings, tile floor throughout here. It's just a beautiful home. Obviously, it's looking out to the river. See the boat dock. Water levels are up right now. Should be down. Expecting they'll be down here in a couple days. A little bit more typical levels. Utility bills in this home are super low. I don't remember exactly, but $120 a month, something like that. $126, I think, is our average. Let's go take a look at these 2 bedrooms here. This bedroom, again, the tall ceilings. This bedroom's pretty typical. They do have nice 5-inch baseboards on the floor all the way around. I mentioned the details. They just go on and on here. Solid wood doors. This room here has icynene insulation. Several of the rooms have insulation in them to keep the sound down. And then this is a guest bedroom. Of course, it's a very large bedroom. Of course, the windows and everything are dual pane, hurricane resistant. And then let's go check out bedroom number 4. Check out that lanai. I haven't made enough of that. Triple pocket sliders, recessed lights, updated ceiling fans. I could really go on and on. As I said before, I'm going to forget them and I'm going to dishonor this gorgeous home, but there are just an abundance of details to this home that I'll never get. Check out the, just one of them, the thickness of the glass, even is thicker than you'll typically find. Comfort height toilets. Everything is beautiful. That shower has custom tile, floor to ceiling. It's kind of a gloomy, ugly day. Not the best for this, but this is the day we're doing it. So screened in flooring. If you wanted to enclose this and make that space under air conditioning, it would be easy to do. There are ducts already there. Speaking of the detail I spoke of earlier, you see the gutters, of course. The boat lift, the boat does not stay, although perhaps the seller could be persuaded for the right price. I don't think that's what they're looking to do. But that concludes our tour. If you got questions, reach out to your realtor. Thank you.